Hello, my beautiful JAFRA beauties. I hope everyone is having an amazing day. And today we are going to talk about our hydration heroes. These products are loved by everyone, and it's going to help our skin to restore that moisture from lips to toes, especially during the colder months, because sometimes when we have our skincare routine or our body care, we only focus, on just a body lotion. But if we have that extra time, why not add additional products that can help our skin really feel that moisture and not that dry sensation. So let's start by asking some of you that are here live with me today, raise your hand if your skin feels extra dry during this time of the year. I am going to raise mine because even though I'm a JAFRA lover with all the products, I do feel that my skin gets a little bit dry during the colder months, especially when I'm out with the kids at the park or just taking a walk. You can feel that your skin just needs that extra hydration. Hi, Sylvia. Thank you for being here with me today. All right, so let's get started with one of the area that shows dryness first. It's our lips. And let me know in the chat if you agree with me. Here at home, I can see my kids, my husband, they all have chapped lips right now. But guess who doesn't? Right here, your girl. And why is that? It's because I always have with me my lip care, and I have made this product an additional step during my nighttime skincare routine. I have one where I have all my serums, my moisturizers, and I just got that habit of every night when I'm doing my skincare routine, I always add this step on my lips. So this Royal Jelly, very powerful lip care. It's designed to keep our lips feeling soft, smooth, and healthy, not just temporarily, but with real care benefits. Let me know in the chat if you have these lip care balm with you. Is it in your purse? Is it in your makeup bag? Are you also like me that this is your lip care during your nighttime routine? I would love to hear in the chat. I see Brie, she said that she always has something near her. That's my girl. These Royal Jelly powerful lip care is it's made with blueberry fruit extract. And those fruits, seeds oils are going to give us those rich antioxidants and vitamins that help improve the appearance of our lips. This is not just a product, a regular lip balm. It's lip care. And we know here at JAFRA, we care for our wrinkles, for our dullness skin. We're always doing our face mask. So why not have our lip care that you might think it's a simple product, but trust me, this one, if you are a JAFRA consultant, it's an easy add-on to something everyone needs and uses daily. So when you're doing your follow-ups with your clients, maybe you're introducing JAFRA to a new client, why not start with a simple product that everybody needs in their bag, in their car, or in a nightstand? All right, so see, Sylvia has hers in her nightstand. Another product that I want to talk to you about today is a product that sometimes we forget we have it here at JAFRA. It's our JAFRA Precious Protein Extra Care Balm. It's this one here, and it's going to help with those sunburns, dry areas like our elbows, our knees, our hands, you know, just the regular, just those like spots where you feel your body needs that extra hydration is going to be your go-to product, the JAFRA Precious Protein extra care balm. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick today, so my voice is feeling different, but thank you for being here with me today. This Precious Protein Extra Care Balm is designed to support our skin moisture barrier with a rich blend of proteins and emollients. And it's made with wheat protein, which help moisturize and condition our skin. And the soybean oils is an emollient that deeply hydrates and softens our skin. So maybe you can use this on your daily basis, you know, when you just need that extra hydration in those dry areas. But you can also maybe one day you say, you know what, I'm gonna make it a habit of every other day to really focus on those areas where my body needs that extra care. And what I like to do is to like warm it in my fingers and then apply it in my elbows, my knees. Sometimes I put it in my feet. So just where your body needs that extra hydration. And what I like about this product, it doesn't leave you that greasy feeling and it absorbs fast, but you can really feel that moisture in your skin when you apply it. So the other one is something that is trending, something that we've been talking about it here at JAFRA. It's a beauty trend that people's loving, and it's not just our body lotions. It can be with any products that you want to do that layering. So it can be with your body lotions, with your fragrances, maybe you know, your serums. So that layering helps hydrate. And then your second step is going to seal in everything. And today, because we're talking about our hydration heroes, let's see what I have here for you is our Royal Jelly Body Milk and our bonus size Royal Jelly Body Complex right here. This body milk was really a success on the first day that we launched. We sold out all the units that we had, and it's been a favorite lately here at JAFRA. Your royal jelly, this one, if you haven't tried it, let me just do a little demo here for you. This is my second bottle. This one, the texture is very lightweight. It absorbs super fast. And this can be like your first step when you're doing your body care. You can call this like your base, right? So we apply our royal jelly body milk. It has royal jelly in it, which has been our secret ingredient for almost 70 years. And we move on to our second step, which is our royal jelly body complex. This one is also enriched with our royal jelly ingredients. Let me show you here. And what does royal jelly is going to do if you're new here at JAFRA? It's going to deliver and nourish your amino acids and vitamins to help support youthful looking radiance. Let's see. Sylvia says, I have a client that buys 3 or 4 at a time of the Extra Care Balm. Thank you for sharing, Sylvia. It's really a good product that sometimes we think we don't need, but I feel like everyone needs to have one in their household. All right, so this body complex, it can be like your second step, which is going to help you seal that hydration in your body. And that's how you can explain it to your clients. You can say, you know, the body milk is going to hydrate And the body complex is going to moisture, it's going to seal in that hydration in your body. It can be your first and second step. So it's your turn to try, everyday body care. Let's turn it into a luxurious hydration ritual. Let me know in the chat if you are trying this step 1, step 2 with this body care that we have available here at JAFRA. All right, JAFRA Beauty. So just to do a little recap of these 4 hydration heroes that we talked about today, you can either pick one, or why not make it a combo for your clients, for your new consultants that are, you're introducing to JAFRA. They're asking you, what can I use for hydration in my body care? You can introduce them the step 1, step 2 body care, or maybe you can do another combo if you pair the lip care with the body complex. I don't know, many ideas that we can use with these hydration heroes to really introduce these products to our clients. And that's all that I have for you today. Let me know in the chat, which hydration hero do you need the most right now? Maybe it's 1, 2, or maybe the 4. Thank you so much for being here with me today, and I will see you on my next training video.